Okay guys, I'm back at the boat and we started on stage 2, sanding the non-slip. So let me show you what's going on. They sanded all this area here, the step, basically most of the cockpit. They still gotta sand these steps on the side. They sanded that area there, and they still gotta sand this here. I'm doing a video, and they sanded this area here. Also, we removed the blue line. We're going to have a white, no line up here, and sanded this front area. They still got to sand the hatch. So they're not done. They have another day or so of work. They've been working in sections. So most of the line is gone. Let me see. Take this off. Yeah, they gotta take off the little piece right there. So he's gonna repaint this area all the way around. Okay, just want to give you an update on what's going on. And then also they have to sand they already sanded the bottom. They gotta sand the blue line. I think they did sand the blue line. Yeah, it's still chalky. They need to sand that because all that's gonna be painted one solid color all the way to the water line. I don't want a different color there, so it's gonna be a solid piece. And I seen it done on this boat. This is a friend of mine. He's a young kid, and he painted the same ribbon that I have, which is about 6-7 inches. I think it's 7 inches, and he painted it all one color. So it's gonna look good. Now the decision is what color to choose. So we're going with a light blue, I think. We're kind of thinking about it. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one.